What's the meaning of coalhouse? Coalhouse. Coalhouse.
Coalhouse. Coalhouse. The word coalhouse refers to a structure or room where coal is stored, typically in a domestic setting. It is usually located near the kitchen or basement of a house and is used to store coal for heating and cooking purposes. The coalhouse is often a small room with a door that can be closed to keep the coal dry and prevent it from spilling into the rest of the house. Some coalhouses may also have a chute or opening for delivering coal directly from outside. Overall, the coalhouse is an important part of many traditional homes that rely on coal for heating and cooking.